how to generate QR in GoTyme. Want to receive money instantly with GoTyme? Let's walk through how to generate your QR code. So step 1, open up the GoTyme app and then log into your account. Now from here, go ahead and select scan QR. So that will take you here. So select show my QR from this section, and then in here you should find your QR code. So if you want to add the specific amount, simply select add amount and then enter the amount that you want to receive. You can also directly share this image to anyone you want to send this to by clicking on the share button. So under that, you should find all of the apps you can use to send this QR code, and then once they receive this, they'll need to simply scan this code and they'll be able to send the money directly to your GoTyme account. And that is how to generate QR in GoTyme.